In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Click on the profile icon located on the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile to open your profile page. Scroll down your profile page until you see the Friends section. Click on See All Friends to view your complete friends list. At the top of your friends list, you'll see an option called Manage. Click on it. You'll now have the option to select multiple friends. Use the Select Multiple feature to choose the friends you want to unfriend. You can check as many friends as you like. For example, select 400 friends at once. Once selected, click on the Unfriend button. This action will remove all the selected friends from your account. If you have more friends to remove, go back to List and repeat the process. Continue selecting multiple friends and click Unfriend until you've removed everyone. And there you have it. That's how you can unfriend all your Facebook friends at once in just a few simple steps.